In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search someone on LinkedIn without them knowing. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to browse profiles in complete privacy so that your name doesn't show up in their Who Viewed Your Profile list. First, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Then head to your main LinkedIn home feed or your profile dashboard. It doesn't really matter which one you start from, as long as you can see the usual LinkedIn top navigation bar at the top of the screen. Next, look towards the top right of that bar for your profile area. You should see your profile picture in a small circle with the word Me underneath it. This is your personal menu. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From this drop-down, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to LinkedIn's main settings page, where you can control how your profile appears to others, as well as your account and security preferences. It may take a second to load, so just wait until you see the full settings layout. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Look for the section labeled Visibility. This is where LinkedIn stores all the options related to who can see your information and how you appear when you interact with others on the platform. Click on Visibility to open that category. Once the Visibility section is open, scroll if needed and look for an option that says something like Visibility when viewing other profiles, or Profile Viewing Options. This specific setting controls what people see when you visit their profile. Click on that option to open the detailed choices. You'll now see a few different visibility modes. Typically, LinkedIn offers a fully visible mode, a semi-private mode where only limited information is shown, and a private mode. To browse without being detected, you want to choose Private Mode. Click on Private Mode as your selection. Once this is turned on, your future profile views will appear as anonymous to others. From this point on, you can search for and view other people's profiles, and they will only see that an anonymous user viewed them, not your name, job title, or any identifying details. Just remember, while private mode is enabled, you also won't be able to see exactly who views your own profile, so turn it off again later if you want that insight back.